In this video, we are going to look at what is called a sensitive transaction or critical transactions, which is in SAP GRC. A sensitive or critical transaction is a transaction which can cause risk to the system by itself. For example, most of the mass change transactions are called sensitive transactions. So within a sensitive transaction risk, you only have one function. So one individual transaction itself is called a sensitive transaction. For example, if you look at SU10, which can lock all the users. So for example, if somebody uses by mistake, it could destabilize the system and people will not be able to log on. Of course, this transaction has to be given to someone, but you don't want to be you don't want to give this transaction to hundreds of people. Okay, so it should be restricted to people who know what to do and how to use them. Similarly, most of the basis transactions, for example, SCC4 client copy, SM12 locking, unlocking the tables, or SM59, STMS transports, all these cannot be widely given. For example, MM10, which is a material mass changes, cannot be given widely. So this has to be controlled. So when you run these risk reports, it will identify users who have access to the sensitive transactions, right? So this cannot, if you find that these transactions are given to, let's say 50 people or 100 people, then that's a huge risk to the company. So if there are only 5 people in security and the SU10 is given to 25 people, then why is the 25 people more people, 20 people more are having access to SU10? So thanks for watching the video. So if you need a step-by-step guide, please click on the link below. Thank you.